Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with macro control enabled and a clean lens. Now get close. Position the subject and move the iPhone slowly toward it until the camera switches into macro mode. You'll see the icon or a subtle crop. Once done, tap to set focus on the exact spot you want. This tells the sensor why close-up detail matters. Make sure to hold steady and use a light source so the camera doesn't overcompensate with ISO. Now lock focus and refine exposure to preserve sharp detail. Tap and hold the focus point until AE/AF lock appears. This prevents the lens from hunting as you tweak composition. Next, slide the exposure control to avoid blown highlights or noisy shadows, because macro exaggerates light variances. Make micro adjustments by nudging the phone forward or back for focus stacking, and steady the device on a mini tripod or a stable surface to reduce blur while you perfect framing. Finish by choosing the right capture method. Use a short timer or burst to avoid camera shake, and consider Pro RAW for maximum editing latitude. After shooting, review at 100% to check fine detail and retake if needed. If the camera won't focus, try moving slightly farther away than back in, wipe the lens, and toggle macro control off and on. These quick fixes resolve most close focus issues. Lastly, back up your best shots so they're safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.